आर्मी के अंदर अब क्या पक रहा है? क्या वो आर्मी चीफ के साथ है या उसमें डिवीजन है कहीं पे?
Yes, there were some reshuffles taking place, took place in Bangladesh Army yesterday. But I would not say it as a purge, purging of Awami League loyalists or something like that. It's not at all like this because there was not any wide-ranging polarization into the force or something. But there was, of course, one case of relieving one official from his post in the rank of Major General. So that is there. Otherwise, I think the forces are very much in good command and working in tandem with the student protesters who together they are working on building a installing an interim government so that Bangladesh can look forward to a free and fair election